Hello guys, welcome. So, how to create an email newsletter with Mailchimp? Okay, this is a secret Canva method that I'm going to be showing you guys. So let's get ready. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So let's just first and foremost go to the actual platform here. It's going to be really quick. So bear with me on this one. Now in here, make sure that you're already on par with your campaigns. So let's just go ahead and account and let's just go ahead start with the process. Just wait for it to load here. Here we go. Now in here there's a bunch of things that we need to be discussing about, okay, especially on the sides here, like tags, automations, audiences. So it all boils down to play when we're talking about a solid made newsletter, okay, especially the audience, all contacts, inboxes, all points of play. So go ahead with all campaigns. Now that you're routed with the campaign here, you could basically start and create the campaigns. And you could choose on each and one of these designs here, whatever it is you want to use for your newsletter. Just click on this one. And in here, you can basically edit the title. So as you can see, these letters on the side here, since it's a newsletter, you just create in two. Click on this one. So no contacts yet. You could add contacts if you want to. So if not, you can just go ahead with the sample, this one. So from and subject and content. That's the whole body of an email, right? So in here we have templates. Thank God for templates, because we don't have to select this. We don't have to go through extra processes, extra hassle. Takes time. So a bunch of templates here that you could use. I'm sorry, formats. We've already selected a template. So format on what your newsletter is going to be looking like. So it's a bunch of things here. We created the first one. So in here, you could basically start editing out your newsletter. Okay. So we're going to be using these things on the side here: image card, social follows, footer. Let's just basically select whichever it is that suits and fits your niche, so to say. All right. So in here, since we've uploaded a sample product here, just click on save, and this one you can basically edit this out here. Showcase your product to whatever it is. Let's just put newsletter, and in here you could edit out the fonts and bold italic. You could also edit out the headers here. So I've uploaded a photo here on the side, as you can see. This is a sample photo. This is the only photo that I got in my gallery, so just bear with me on this one, because that's basically the best photo that I got that won't get us into trouble with YouTube regulations. Okay, so again, in here on the side, you basically select, and in here we have a white page here. You could edit that text. Now in here you could basically add in and drag in the photo, whichever you like, and you just basically delete it if you want to. So again, just making sure that our newsletter comes out the exact way you want it to come out. Right now, this is the button text and link to, and web address, URL. Okay. Now the bottom text is the part of the body of the newsletter itself. The link to, or basically the ones that you, whoever it is you'd like to be receiving with. And in here, you can just basically adjust the sides here, as you can see. Image display, size, and yeah, just making sure that you edit it out. Now, whichever platform it is you'd like to, whether it be Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, you could absolutely forward this newsletter as long as it's on par with the email delivery system. And that's what we're going to do. So again, we've done with the page header, the body. Now we're working on the body here. You could adjust the color of the body, like let's switch to red or whatever color it is, for example, that you actually like. This is beige. This, again, we have the body, the footer, mobile styles as well. So I'll click on done. As you can see, we've already created it via, there's 3 platforms that we could share it to. There's Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So yeah, that's the entirety of the newsletter. Now, just keep in mind that you could also add recipients to and fro, and also if you want to have a solid base on the actual newsletter itself, I highly recommend just basically using the templates, because it's going to be saving you a bunch of hassling process. Now, it's really important to have an account that is on par with whatever businesses you have right there, and the email system itself. So yeah, that's what I love about this one. You could start in automation. Very, very flexible website, this Mailchimp. Now there's a bunch of websites that are very, very similar to this one as well, but the thing that I love about this one is it really goes well with Gmail. Now Gmail is my primary system that I use, especially in email email assistance as well. So yeah, that's what I find really good about this platform right here. So yeah, this is basically it, and I certainly hope that this video is of any help for you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Yeah, please subscribe, and you guys have a nice day.